Go down to that, and then, oh! Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. This is the KLT-07 waist fat burning massage belt. Burn calories, mode adjust, EMS microcurrent. All right, well, let's check this thing out. So I've seen a lot of these on TV and whatnot, and you're always a little skeptical of like, how do these things work? So this is basically a belt, and it like, through electrical stimulation, it's supposed to like contract your muscles and electrically stimulate them to kind of work. So here's the belt thing here. We got, okay, there's like 3 little controllers here. That's them, on, off, and then on the back we just have these little basically metal buttons that go on there. So yeah, we just affix it, basically just snap it on here, just like you're putting on a, snapping on a thing there. Maybe you gotta push it from the back side. There we go. Yeah, take it from the, there we go. So put it in the back side there. Looks like you have these other ones too, so you could put it, if you wanted to, snap it on these as well. I think these are for your arms. So the whole idea behind this is like with a muscle is it basically, it's contracting and releasing. So you're working your muscles to, I guess the whole idea behind this is it's just gonna basically flex your muscles for you, and flexing your muscles is basically what you do in order to do work, if that makes sense. Okay, so we're just gonna put a little bit of water on these, and then kind of wipe it off, I guess. I'm just gonna put this thing on, see how it works here. Kind of cranked it up a little bit, and it's definitely feels like it's tightening up my muscles there. So yeah, okay. Let's see here. What if I do this on my like forearm too? I don't know. We'll see what we got going on here. So we got this, and then we can just put it on our forearm too, I guess. And different intensities, obviously. So, oops, put a little bit of water on the, just get it kind of damp there, I guess. Now it's go time. All right, I'm just gonna put this on my forearm. We'll see what's up with this thing. Okay, so we'll hit the plus button. Memory, we're gonna go down to that, and then, oh! That was just one, so. Oh, you can see that? I'm not doing that. It's moving my arm. Okay. So my arm is just relaxed, and it's moving my arm like this. Like literally, I'm not doing that. It's literally pulsing my arm back and forth like that. That's only on 2. So we have different modes. Whoa. There's like a massage, like a shiatsu, different ones like pulses and things like that. So that's just on Yeah, that's weird. Okay. What if I put this on my bicep? This is pretty crazy. So I'll put one on my, okay, that's, oh, okay. No, that's more, okay. All right. It's definitely kind of interesting. So we have all these different, we have shaping, mode 3, massage mode, and then the different modes. So it's basically just like putting these electrical pulses into me here. And yeah, I don't know. I'm just not like convulsing my stomach or anything like that, but just kind of leaves it, you feel tightening up a little bit. So interesting. I'll look into like some of the stuff on these and see like just how beneficial they are. Gonna be hard to like do like a month challenge on this without you know, doing some kind of comparison, but definitely interesting. I've never had one of these before. And there's similar to like the TENS unit almost as far as electrical stimulation, but yeah, kind of cool. We'll do some more research and I'll give you my final thoughts on this, guys. All right, friends, so final thoughts on these. So they're pretty easy to set up and to use. The EMS, so I was a little curious as to like the effects of these. There's some peer-reviewed studies out there as to the effects when you're working out and then using one of these, or electromagnetic stimulation, and you can look into that as well. So there seems to be some benefits out there as far as if you're, now this is not like a cure-all. You're just going to strap it on your abs and it's going to flex them and you're going to get ripped or whatever. It's not going to work like that, because like targeting, you can't really target an area and lose fat there, if that makes sense. Your body collects fat based on your, you know, different whatever, but usually it's around your waist area. And if you do a bunch of sit-ups, but you're still taking in more calories than you're burning, you're not going to burn that fat. So this combined with weight training and a diet, there seem to be some studies that say, hey, it's gonna be a little bit beneficial. But if you think you're just gonna strap this on and get shredded, that's not gonna happen. So just the FYI. But yeah, I did look up some things, a few different studies, and it seemed like there's some science behind these things as far as like being beneficial to building up their strength. The EMS we're talking about, electromagnetic stimulation. So yeah, I mean, it wasn't really my cup of tea. It felt, and it's comfortable, you can put it on, but I don't really like tight things. Like it feels like it's like, I mean, you have to put this on kind of tight so the connections are good. And you know, you got the water on, a little bit of dampness on the connection pads. That's important to make sure you do have a good connection. But as far as ease of putting it on and comfort, and usability is pretty easy. You hit the button, a bunch of different modes. So if you guys are into that, it's a pretty sweet little vest with the, or little belt with the other things as well. So yeah, if you're maybe looking at that to help like supplement your workout or help with your training or something like that, it's not a bad idea. So thanks for watching this review, my friends. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.